What is up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue. I'm here with No Hippie Barbecue Jr. What's up?
Hey everybody, how you doing?
Anyway, you know what? He did a recipe a few days ago, a little mahi. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link to that recipe in the iCard above and description below. Run by there and take a look at that. But anyway, he had such a good time making that video. He said, you know what? I want some more of that limelight. And I was like, listen, that head's a little big. I'm not sure if I got enough light to go around that bad boy, but I'll let you knock out another video. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Mason, what are we knocking out?
We're knocking out some cream of chicken.
Cream of chicken, soup. You know what? Sounds good to me. Anyway, we're gonna pull this back, let you take a look at these ingredients, and then we'll get knocking it out.
It's gonna be in the description. So here's what we're working with. We got some shredded up chicken right here, some chicken broth, whole milk, flour, minced up garlic, rosemary, diced up white onions, and thinly sliced celery.
And we're gonna be using salt and pepper to taste, and the butter is already getting melted down in our skillet.
Hey everybody, now we got this butter melted down. We're gonna add some celery and our white onion to it. And we're just gonna let this cook down until it's nice and soft. Everybody, now we got that celery and onion cooked down. We're gonna add some minced up garlic and let it cook for about a minute so it can release some of its garlic goodness. Alright everybody, now that we got that garlic cooked down a little bit, we're gonna add in some of this flour and cook it for about 2 minutes so we can get that flour taste out. Our flour cooked down, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients.
We're gonna go ahead and let this cook down for a while and let this start thickening up. And we will be seasoning it to taste with salt and pepper.
Alright, we let this cook down for 15 minutes so it can thicken up. I think it's about time we plate this.
Looks a little plain to me. You know what? I think we might have to add a little love to this. Anyway, we're gonna plate this bad boy up, get our taste test on, and it's a wrap.
Alright, it's a wrap. Let's get into it. It's nice and creamy. These spring onions make it so much better. That chicken's nice and tender. It's great.
If you want this to be super creamy, you could double the liquids that go into this and double the flour. We decided not to go like super creamy on this, but listen, I think Mr. Twinkle Toes himself, Mr. Head Astaire, did a good job on this, so I'm pretty pleased with this. You know what? Show them how you want it to eat it. Go ahead and eat it the way you want to eat it. He had to put it on some bread. Anyway, there you go. That's how he wanted to eat it. Anyway, thanks for checking out No Hippie Barbecue and No Hippie Barbecue Jr. Comment, subscribe. We're out.